The DriftSense AI agent can now design and deploy enterprise-grade GenAI systems, end-to-end. In this demo, I'll show you how the agent builds a production-ready knowledge bot powered by RAG and real-time data updates, all from a simple instruction. I start by simply telling the agent that I want to build a chatbot that can accurately answer user questions about company information based on our internal documents. That's it. The agent converts a high-level goal into a structured execution plan, guiding the user through system design and deployment. Then, it creates an architecture diagram of the proposed solution. The agent designs a scalable, production-ready architecture, clearly mapping every required component. This is production thinking, not experimentation. Next, we give it a name, provide the GCP project ID, and specify the data source to connect to, in this case, Google Cloud Storage. The agent configures a secure connector, the indexing strategy, and the retrieval application layer that completes the RAG for the AI system. The agent then sets up live data ingestion and indexing. It also initiates backfill for existing data. Notice, there's no manual plumbing. The infrastructure is being assembled by the agent. We now move on to set the chatbot's tone and personality. We start with a system preamble, clear response rules, and guardrails. This ensures the knowledge bot doesn't just retrieve information. It communicates in the right voice, follows company policy, and stays grounded in retrieved data. Now that our RAG pipeline is ready, we do a quick test to ensure things are working as expected. The agent checked whether the index was ready and asked us to wait while the backfill completed. After a few minutes, once backfill was done, we tested the RAG system by querying it to summarize a document. Here is the summary returned by the RAG pipeline. We ran another query with a more specific question, and the RAG system returned a much shorter answer. The Drift agent checked with us to confirm that the output looked correct, and then we moved on to the next step, building the conversational layer, the chatbot. We started by finalizing the prompt. The agent shared a detailed prompt that incorporated the instructions we set earlier, along with conversational behavior guidelines and a summary of the tool calls for invoking the RAG system. Finally, we moved on to deploying the chatbot. DriftSense provided two options: receive the agent code to integrate wherever we'd like, or have them deploy the chatbot for us. We asked it to deploy the chatbot using Gemini 2.5 Flash and provided the staging GCS bucket to host the model artifacts. The agent then triggered the deployment via Google Cloud Build and shared a link to the build job so we could monitor its progress. Once the agent confirmed that the deployment was successful, we tested the chatbot in the Agent Engine playground. We asked it a couple of questions about DriftSense, and the agent retrieved the relevant documents via a RAG call and responded accurately. In the end, we asked the agent for a Python code snippet that could be plugged into any app to use the chatbot we built, and it provided a concise snippet to accomplish this. And this is DriftSense, enterprise-grade AI built by AI, ready for production in minutes.